what's up? It's Morgan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. It is the beginning of the year. Everybody's making New Year's resolutions. Everybody's starting new hobbies, getting back into the gym. A lot of people are making YouTube channels, so I figured that I would make this video to kind of help you guys, give you guys some tips on what you need to do if you're thinking about making a YouTube channel or if you already started a YouTube channel. Before we get into the video, it would mean so much to me if you hit that subscribe button wherever it is on your screen. And if you want to know how to start a YouTube channel, then let's just get right into the video. So I am going to try to just make this quick for you guys. I don't want to drag anything on too long. I don't want this to be like a super long video. I know a lot of people want to make YouTube channels but then just never do it because they're nervous or they are scared of what people are going to think of them. I am going to start off by saying that if you are thinking about doing a YouTube channel, don't do it just for the money. Do it because you actually want to do it. You actually have a passion to do it. The first thing I want to go over is equipment. The main thing that you need to make videos, of course, is a camera. All you need is a phone that can record videos. And if you have that, then you're good to go. You can easily record videos off your phone. There are so many YouTubers out there who use their phone to make videos. Especially now, the quality of videos on phones is ridiculous. I feel like it's even better than some of the cameras out there. I started out using my iPhone whenever I started my YouTube channel. Eventually, I was able to buy my own camera, and so now I use the Canon EOS M3. It's been such a great camera for me. I use it to vlog, I use it to make videos like this. So definitely that was a big investment that I did down the road. But starting off, you do not need a camera and have to spend all this money buying a camera. The next thing is lighting. A lot of times, natural lighting is the best lighting that you could use in videos. Literally take your phone, sit in front of a window and record, and that is all you need. Now, if you are wanting to have more of a professional lighting, you could always invest in a nice ring light. They can be pretty expensive, but you can honestly find good deals on Amazon or Best Buy. I got my ring light off Amazon. It's what I'm using right now. This is the only lighting that I use. My ring light costed me around $150. It honestly was a great investment. I bought my ring light before I even bought my camera, so you could always start with baby steps, buy things like individually at a time. You don't have to go in and buy a camera and lighting and a microphone and all this stuff right off the bat. If you're kind of on a budget, literally a window is all you need for lighting. Now, if you are using window lighting, I would suggest recording videos during the daytime when the light is at its peak. The lighting does make a difference on your videos. It helps the quality of your videos, and it also draws people's attention to your videos. Lighting is definitely very important. The next thing is your background. To film videos, you do not need a professional background. I'm literally sitting in my room right now. This is where I film my videos. As long as you have a clean, presentable background, that is all you need. And I know a lot of people struggle with, oh, they don't have the space to film videos. You know, they don't have the area to really have like a backdrop and a setup and all of that. That's fine. I don't have that either. That's why I film right here in my room on my bed. Something that I used to do a few years back for recording my YouTube videos is I would buy the trifolds from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. They're literally $1 maybe, and I would set the tripod up behind me. It would look like I had a white backdrop. They have different colors as well that you can use. So if you kind of want that more professional background, definitely look into doing that because that is such a cheap option that you can do. You can also switch out the colors if you want to. Another thing that you can do as a backdrop is just buy a roll of paper and literally just hang it up on your wall and let it fall down behind you. Sit in front of it and there you have it. You have a professional backdrop right behind you. So you don't need to go out spending a bunch of money trying to find a background or a whole setup, anything like that. The next thing that I want to talk about is editing. Of course, to make YouTube videos, you have to edit your videos. You can, of course, upload just the full video if you want, but editing is what puts that little spice in your videos. The way you edit your videos is your way of making your channel who you are and showing people who you are. It's your own personal way to draw people's attention, keep people's attention on your videos. I feel editing honestly takes your video to the next level. If you have an iPhone or a MacBook or an Apple product, all of those come with iMovie, which is free. Up until about almost a year ago, I used iMovie to edit all of my videos on it. It works perfectly fine. You have everything that you need in iMovie, so don't feel like you have to go out and buy a laptop just to edit videos when you can do it easily on your iPhone. If you're wanting to spend money on like an editing software, you could always purchase Final Cut Pro. It is like $300, so iMovie works just as great and it gets the job done perfectly. Okay, so the next thing is consistency. Now this is probably one of the biggest tips that I can give you guys. Consistency is key, and you probably hear that everywhere, in the gym, at work, with your goals, just anything. Being consistent is key. And honestly, the first couple years that I had my YouTube channel, I was not consistent whatsoever. It wasn't until about a year ago that I finally started being super consistent with my videos, and it has honestly made the biggest difference for my channel. It is the biggest tip that I can give you guys. Just be consistent. People subscribe to your channel because they want to see more videos. They want to see you post videos all the time. But when I do say to be consistent, don't just be posting random videos. Don't just be trying to upload whatever you can onto your channel. Quality over quantity. You want to make sure that you are still posting good videos, still posting quality videos on your channel, because once again, this is your channel. This is a representation of you and your channel and your brand, and every video that you post is going to be a reflection of your channel. So make sure that you are being consistent, but also posting good quality videos that people are going to want to watch. Another thing that you want to figure out is what your theme is going to be. What type of style do you want your channel to have? What type of videos do you want to post on your channel? So make sure before you start your channel that you kind of sit down, kind of think about, are you going to have a cooking channel? Are you going to have a fitness channel? Is your channel going to be mainly vlogs or pranks or anything like that? Or is it just going to be kind of like a lifestyle channel? So before you start your channel, make sure you have an idea of kind of what direction you want to go with your channel. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is thumbnails. So thumbnails, they are so important. Thumbnails are what catch people's eye. This is the first thing they're gonna see. When people search for videos on YouTube, they're gonna click on the thumbnail that they find most attractive to their eye. Thumbnails will literally help your channel so much. If y'all would like to see me do a video on how to make a thumbnail, or kind of just like a beginner's guide to making thumbnails, please comment below. I would love to help you guys. But you could have probably a boring video with the most attractive thumbnail and it's gonna get so many views, or you could have the greatest video with no thumbnail and you're gonna get no views on it. So a thumbnail is so important. It's gonna help you get views, especially when you're first starting your YouTube channel and you're wanting to get monetized. You have to have 4,000 watch hours of people watching your videos. So a thumbnail is so important because that's gonna get people to click on your video, watch your video, you're gonna get the views, you're gonna get the watch hours. That is really the basics of everything that you need to start a YouTube channel. I do wanna say lastly, if you're starting a YouTube channel and you're making videos, the biggest thing that I have heard from other YouTubers, and I wanna say myself, be yourself. Have fun with your videos, enjoy making videos, just have fun with it. Like, be creative, channel your inner creative mind when you're making YouTube videos. The reason that you want to be yourself in your videos is because this is your channel, so be you. That is what people are gonna love. That is what is gonna draw people's attention to your videos when they see that you're just being genuine, you're just being who you are. Just be you, because why would you want to be anybody else anyways? You are the best you out there. So when it comes to your channel, when it comes to making videos, when it comes to making thumbnails and editing and everything in between, be you. Keep it you, what you want, what your style is, what your theme is. At the end of the day, as long as you are being true to who you are, your channel is gonna do amazing. So yeah, that is the biggest tip that I can give you guys. I know YouTube can be kind of stressful. There's definitely times that you're gonna feel unmotivated. There's definitely times you're gonna have no idea what to film, but I promise you, do not stress over it. But if you ever get to that point of you just feel stressed or like you don't think you can do it anymore, keep going, take some time off, and then come back. I promise you'll feel clear-headed. You'll get new video ideas that just come to you out of nowhere. I've been through this myself multiple times. So just take YouTube step by step. Don't let it overwhelm you. Don't feel like you have to achieve everything right at the beginning. And if you're struggling with starting a YouTube channel because you're kind of afraid of what people are going to think about you, or you know, you just don't know if you want the people you went to school with to know you have a YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel when I was 20 years old, and I definitely had those thoughts of, ooh, what are the people gonna think about me? I don't want people on Instagram to see that I have a YouTube channel because I don't want them to watch my videos. Like, what are they gonna think of my videos? What are they gonna think of me? And I would just have all these thoughts running through my head. But now, 5 years later, here I am, and I could care less who watches my videos. I could care less who sees that I have a YouTube channel. This is what I wanna do. This is what I enjoy doing. And if you don't like my channel, then I don't know what else to tell you. Don't let people's opinions make the decision of if you want to start a YouTube channel or not. But that is basically it for this video. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to comment them below. I would love to answer them for you guys. Like this video if it helped you at all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!